Hey guys, we got a 2023 Toyota Camry. I'm gonna show you how to change the engine air filter. I believe this will work from 2018 to 2023, maybe even 2024. So this is the engine air box. There's a couple clamps. I'm just gonna pop them off. There's two clamps over there. And then you're just going to lift it up and make sure that those two spots right there come out of the hole. From there you can lift it up like this. So this is the engine air filter. You can look at it, blow it out with compressed air, or replace it. I'm gonna add a link to the description, Amazon link, for a good filter at a good cost. But that's how you do it. If you really want to, you can do a 10mm here and take this whole top off so it's easy to remove. I don't ever do that, but you can do that if you want. But yeah, hopefully this helped, and thanks for watching.